Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Zerodha account to AI assistants using Kite MCP, and I'll walk you through the Kite login process and what the Model Context Protocol, MCP, is all about. Kite login process. To connect your Zerodha account with an AI assistant using Kite MCP, you don't need a Kite Connect API subscription. It's all free. You just need to set up the MCP server. When you do, it'll prompt you to log in to your Zerodha account. You'll go to the Kite login page, enter your credentials, and it'll give you a request token. That token is then swapped for an access token through a secure two-factor authentication flow. This means your credentials never directly touch the AI, ensuring super safety. You might need to re-authenticate sometimes because sessions can expire, but if you set it up correctly, it's usually smooth. For example, in Claude Desktop, you configure the MCP server. When you hit the tools icon, you'll see the Kite MCP tools and can follow the prompts to log in. It's the same deal in VS Code, just add the config and use the /mcp command to check if it's working. What is Model Context Protocol, MCP? For those unfamiliar with it, the Model Context Protocol is like a bridge that lets AI assistants such as Claude, Cursor, or Windsurf talk to your Zerodha account in real time. It's a standard from Anthropic, entirely free, and focuses on pulling live data rather than just using pre-trained information. Think of it as a super smart assistant that can check your portfolio, give you real-time market prices, or analyze your holdings with personalized insights. You just need the JSON structure for MCP, and it works with platforms like Claude or VS Code. It's not locked to one AI, so you can choose what works best for you. MCP is a general protocol that deals with the length of the context of the data. It's built to handle things like current market prices, historical data, and can even delve into your portfolio for details like sector exposure or unrealized P&L. It's like having AI in your fintech game, answering in plain language with no extra cost. Setting up MCP. To set this up, you can either create a Node.js environment. For Cloud Desktop, you'll need to install Node.js, version 18 or higher. Open the app, go to Settings, hit Developer, and add this config. Save, restart the app, and check for the tools icon to verify that Kite MCP is there. For VS Code, add this to your settings.json. Save, restart versus code, and then use /mcp to confirm the connection. Once you've done this, you can start connecting your MCP to your account and interact with it, asking personalized questions. Personalized insights and analysis. With MCP, you can get insights into portfolio risk analysis and portfolio overview. It analyzes your foreign positions and provides market and stock analysis. You can ask things like, show me my top 5 holdings by market value, or compare my portfolio to the Nifty 500. It has the ability to interact with your data. Note, for now, it's primarily read-only, except for GDT orders, and some features like historical trade data aren't available yet. Let me show you how you can do that. I've already added the MCP configuration in my settings. Once it's set up, you can create your own fintech agent. I've given it access to my Kite MCP and the file system to search. Let's see it in real time. I asked it to get my holdings, and it started showing me my profit/loss and current losses. The data displayed is the same as what you'd see in your actual Zerodha account, with no discrepancies. For instance, if I ask for the maximum loss stock, it performs API authentication, checks my Kite holdings, and authenticates each time. It provides a link, and if I click it, it goes back to the client guide for authentication. When I asked for the maximum loss stock again, it authenticated and showed me that Secure Cloud had losses of 18,000. Let me log into my Zerodha account to verify if this is accurate. After logging in, the platform showed that my login was successful. I then confirmed that the loss was indeed correct. I also asked, what is my current loss in FNO and what is my RCUM loss? It should show -2440. You can do multiple things with this, like asking for portfolio analysis and further stock analysis. Currently, it's asking for re-authentication multiple times, which can be problematic. I believe it's an EPA token issue, and it should only happen once. Zerodha is working on fixing this external dependency. As you can see, my current loss is indeed -2440, so it's connected. If you have any problems or need help, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to show you how to do this with your personalized setup. What I'm aiming to do is create your personalized application. It's not just a standard application. It's designed to be more interactive as a fintech buddy. I've created a Kite Talk, which is your own chat buddy where you can connect to your fintech knowledge. It can even tell you the current price of RCOM shares by fetching information from the internet. If you encounter errors like session not found or server disconnected, ensure your Node.js version is 18 or higher and that the URL in your config is https://mcp.kite, trade/a, not HTTP. Also, remember to replace curly quotes with straight ones in your JSON. Do you have any specific questions about setting up Kite MCP or its functionalities that I can help you with? Thanks for watching.